What's going on? Welcome to Cooking with Cocktails. This is your boy Anthony. Today we're going to be making a rolled chicken lasagna. But first we're going to start on our cocktail, and it's going to be a watermelon martini. Alright, for the watermelon martini we're going to need some gin. We got some extra dry vermouth. Parker's watermelon flavor. Also got some watermelon puree. Alright, let's get started. So I'm gonna make this a little strong. First we're gonna put our gin up in there. I'm gonna do 2 shots. And these are 1.5 ounces. I'm gonna do one of the extra dry vermouth. I'm gonna do some watermelon flavor. A little bit. Alright, go ahead and put our watermelon puree. Get that bad boy. We're gonna shake it up. Shake it up a little bit. Kind of help dilute it. Alright. Pour that into a martini glass. And there you got it. Watermelon martini. Alright, now let's get started on the chicken lasagna. Alright, so these are the ingredients that we're going to need to make this rolled lasagna. We got our lasagna that we done already cooked off. We got that al dente. We got some chicken breast. You can either use chicken breast or you can use chicken thighs, whatever part of the chicken you like. We just had a lot of chicken breast in the fridge, so we're using that up. We got some fresh spinach, Alfredo sauce. We got cottage cheese and some ricotta cheese. We got some mozzarella. We got bacon. Now the bacon, I'm gonna go ahead and add this to the pan. Let this start cooking. So we also got some red onions and yellow onions, sweet peppers, and serrano peppers. We got cream of mushroom. We got 1 egg, some spinach, Asiago cheese. We also got some Italian seasoning, slap your mama seasoning, a little bit of salt, and garlic. Alright, now we're about to get started on making the mixture that is going to go inside of the lasagna. So we got the bacon in here cooking. We'll let this get a little more crispy, then we're going to go ahead and add our onions and our onion mixture today. Alright, so for our filling, you're going to need the ricotta cheese. So this is the ricotta and cottage cheese mixture. So I got a whole 12-ounce container of ricotta and about 1/3 of a cup of cottage cheese. We're going to go ahead and add our mozzarella. Put that 1 egg up in there. Put some a little bit of chicken seasoning. Get some fresh Asiago cheese up in there. Y'all really need to try this lasagna and go loud. Adding a little parsley. Alright, we're going to get this mixed up. Alright, so we got it all mixed up, so this is how it should look. I also added more seasoning, and what you can do, just taste it and see what you would like to add. I added more slap your mama. I added some more chicken bouillon, garlic, salt, and some Italian seasoning. Alright, so this is the bacon. You got all crisp up. I'm going to add you're going to let this saute a little bit. You add a little salt. Then we're gonna add our spinach to this. Alright, so now our veggies and saute, we're gonna go in and add our spinach. Just season it all the way. On every layer of this dish, add a little bit of garlic. Alright, once this cooked down, we'll be right back. Alright, while we wait on our spinach to cook, we're gonna go ahead and roll our lasagna. So get you a good amount, about like that. And we just gonna put it at the end. Add just a little bit of cheese. And roll that bad boy up just like that. And we just gonna, you see I put a little bit of sauce at the bottom of our dish. We're just gonna set that down. I'm gonna do one more to show you. And what's good about this, you ain't gotta worry about cutting it because it's like your own little personal lasagnas. So just roll that bad boy. Also do this same lasagna with a red sauce, but I do like seafood. I put like crawfish and shrimp and stuff inside. Alright, so we're gonna get this filled up and I'll see you shortly. Alright, so this is how our spinach and stuff is looking. So we're gonna go ahead and add our sauce. Look at that. We're gonna add some cream of mushroom to this. You can make your own Alfredo. Me, I didn't feel like doing it tonight because it's late. So I just bought some and I'm gonna kind of just spice it up a little bit. Put some of the chicken bouillon in that bad boy. Remember, all seasonings is through taste, you know. You ain't gotta put the exact amount I'm putting. This is Italian seasoning. Some slap your mama. Some more garlic. Just a pinch of salt. Remember, just taste your food throughout the cooking process and check how the seasoning is. All right, so this is how it's looking. We're about to get ready to add some cheese to it. This is just a little bit of Asiago cheese, and I'm also adding a little bit of mozzarella. Get this stirred up. Go ahead and cut it off. All right, so now we're about to get ready to build this bad boy up. Get this stir. Just add your sauce right on top. Look at that. Remember, we got the pasta al dente, so you want to let it cook in the oven a little bit more. It's going to take about 20-25 minutes to cook. Put that down in the middle as well. That. All right, so we're going to add our cheese. You see, I got a bunch of the mixture left over here. And you can just take that and freeze that. And whenever you want to make, you know, your own personal lasagna, you can. Same thing with the sauce. You can freeze that as well. I'm going to put some Asiago. Excuse that. Add some pepper, or not. The battery ain't working right now. We're gonna add parsley to that. Fresh parsley. I'll put some pepper flakes. Cause I love the heat. You can leave this out if you like. All right. So we're gonna put this in the oven at about 360 for about 20 to 25 minutes. It should be ready. All right, so it's been about 25 minutes. Lasagna is ready. Let me just show you how it's looking. So let's get ready to pan that bad boy up. And what you can actually do that I didn't say, you can roll these and just freeze these if you would like. Anytime you want one, just pop it out and put some sauce on it, and you're good to go. Look at that. So we got, let's go ahead and just have a little taste. Some of that filling and spinach. That's good. You taste the bacon from the sauce, got a little heat in there. You taste the spinach. Man, this is fire. All right, thank y'all for watching Cooking with Cocktails. Please subscribe to my channel. There'll be a new video up once every Saturday. Y'all have a wonderful night.